It's been more than 6 years and still there's been no trial in the high-profile murder case in Alexander County.
Areli Aguirre-Avilez and his girlfriend are charged with murdering 5 people, including 2 children, in 2019. Avilez has been in jail that whole time, more than 6.5 years, while the victims' relatives wait for a trial.
Channel 9's Dave Faraday has followed this case for us and looks at why it's taking so long.
Bernice Reyes showed us pictures of her mother, Maria Calderon, and her brother and sister, all murdered here at this home north of Taylorsville. She says she'll never forget investigators coming to her home in 2019 to tell her the news.
I was still in my pajamas. I just didn't believe them at first. Like, how can you believe that this is going on, you know?
Deputies say the home where the murders happened was also set on fire. 5 months after they found the 2 children, a hunter discovered the skeletal remains of Maria Calderon, Juan Mendez Pena, and Luis Sanchez in the bed of a pickup truck 70 miles away in Virginia. Today, the home in Alexander County is gone, but still in the yard, a single cross feet from where the children were found dead. Deputies arrested Areli Aguirre-Avilez and his girlfriend at the time, Heidi Wolf, but still the case has not gone to trial.
It's really frustrated, you know. It's kind of hard to heal whenever you feel like you're not getting any justice.
Defense attorneys say investigators wrongfully believed Avilez and Wolf were involved in the murders. Maria Calderon had taken out a restraining order against Avilez in 2018 after the 2 separated, claiming he had threatened to burn down the house. Heidi Wolf also confessed that she and Avilez went to the home, killing the children and their mother. But court documents say a judge dismissed the complaint against Avilez nearly a year prior to the murders, and Heidi Wolf recanted her confession.
She was essentially there being interrogated and told by the detectives that even as a 16-year-old she could get the death penalty. So I think that scared her, and it was a coerced confession.
According to this court filing, attorneys for Alvarez say he and Wolf were at a party in Catawba County at the time of the murders. Their evidence, cell phone tower records, and people who were at the party who say they were there. This is the court file for Areli Aguirre-Avilez. He has been assigned 2 attorneys from the Capital Offender's Office. Inside the file, we could see that tens of thousands of dollars in attorney fees have already been submitted in the case. Attorney Joel Harbinson, who is also court appointed, says he was able to get the district attorney to release Heidi Wolf on a $20,000 bond, even though she's charged with 5 murders.
You don't see in a quintuple murder case without some indication that the case is not that strong.
Harbinson says Avilez did change attorneys more than a year ago, which may have impacted his case. Meanwhile, Bernice Reyes says she has begun throwing out the notices she gets about future court appearances for Avilez and isn't sure she'll ever get justice.
If he just walked, there's nothing I can do. I just kind of have to believe in God that he's gonna take care of it, because what can I do, you know?
We did reach out to the district attorney about the delays. She told us she could not comment about a pending case. Areli Aguirre-Avilez and Heidi Wolf are expected to be back in court next month. Reporting from Alexander County, I'm Dave Faraday, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.